Welcome to Elicia Oh So Fly. Thank you for taking the time to tune in. I truly appreciate it. Yes, I am back with another wig review, and today we have the Outre Melted Hairline Mandisa. Yes, please stick around to hear my thoughts on this beautiful wig right here. Okay, so all right, bear with me, y'all. Hopefully the lighting, I know it may be off because I do have a new camera and I'm trying to work it and trying to make sure to get my lighting. So if my lighting is off, please forgive me. I'm gonna get it together. All right, so this is the Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig Mandisa. She is 24 inches long, and the color that I have her in is dark violet. This right here, it is gorgeous. Yes, it is. This is definitely great for this time of year, the fall, the winter. Yes, I wouldn't wear this in the summertime because I get hot easily, but yes, this right here, this is gorgeous. What I did to this wig, all I did was cut just a little bit right up in here. Of course, my liquid foundation and the powder foundation up in the parting space. She does come with 3 combs and the adjustable strap and the elastic strap as well. Yes, you can wear this glueless, which I did. I did not put any glue on this only because of the bangs. You really can't And with the elastic band, with the secure fit, I don't really have to glue this down. This is gorgeous. I am loving this. Yes, I am. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you a 360 of this right here. So this is the front. And this is the side, as you can see. And then here's the back. And here's the other side. Yes, now the texture on this wig, this is like a thick yaki texture. I am definitely loving this. It's like a blowout almost with this color. This is gorgeous. Yes, it's definitely going to tangle. I haven't got too much shedding or anything at all, but I know that that may come, but that comes with all the wigs. So, but yes, this right here, this is very nice. Great texture, great thickness and volume. I'm really loving that. Also, I would say that this is definitely big head friendly for sure. Definitely big head friendly. But yes, let me know what you guys think about this one. I saw this in several other colors, some of the reviews on the other colors, and they were beautiful too. But I wanted to go with this color because I was like, ooh, look at this. I'm like, this dark violet is gorgeous. It reminds me of like the blue black a little bit, but I am loving this. But yes, so let me know what you all think about this one. Do you think I should cut it? I think I'm going to cut this one. I think I do. I think I'm going to cut it up just a little bit. But other than that, yeah, this is an easy, beginner friendly, super duper easy. 1, 2, 3, pop and go, and you out the door. All right, so stay tuned for some more reviews, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.